Hagani ke Jingyalang hapren ki menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya berasam kablalong ha ka arp sau terik ujemang arhajar arpulai. Kile taisani ban penbet yoput jong hendret lig Jaka beran hapren ke Jingya ka japut kebakan thop ya kalangpi bordowar nongwa mautomur desh dumria blok 1 bat blok 2 bat kapsiar khanduli. Ukonat kongkal sangma uloang baha badan kaman kadan bet kelenti habaya keren bat kamat epen bet yoput usam jong hendret lig Jaka ki bajur baha ke Jingya ka japut. Karbi Himanta beswa sarma ulong bakalong kabae ban bu opor namar ka jingbun ki jeruat ban la ban penbet igini hindriu ti Jaka. Bat kini ki arngot ki menteri rangba ki lakut jingmut pat ban penbet no ek jinge ka japut da kemensiam jong ka jinge shania mar keliang bat da ka jinge dai parlok. Menteri rangba ke jela Asam ulong bagidan katuk kini ki Jaka ka baksar ka Asam kam shemla penyat nekmi ki Jaka. Hendrai kedai ka blakmi da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Kajingelang kala shimru ekarai bagi regional committee jengki artli jela kin sedang pelong no ikajingelang bani keren bat bani tai sani bat kumju ru ban wat ikajing tip ki babnia ai Jaka bai ka japut bat hapo ubnai nai tung ban IT ka kaipot bahadin kani ki arngut ki menteri rangba kin se kenduk biang la shimru ekarai bagi arngut ki menteri rangba kin let ru ban Jurip lang ki Jaka ki badan ha Jaintia Hills bat ha Karbi Anglong.
As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place. And we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings, and as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders, and we hope that we'll be able to get reports very soon. In some areas, it may be faster. Some areas may take a bit more time. And during that process and procedure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi Anglong and West Jaintia Hills, where we know that some tension has come in. And this visit is mostly to appeal to the people that we should maintain peace, to give them the confidence that we are serious about this entire procedure and process, and we would like to come to a solution at the earliest. But during that process, we need to also maintain peace. So these steps will be taken. We expect that in the month of July, we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees. And I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam, under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarmaji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved.
And from today, the regional committees of both the state will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists. In the month of June, basically in the last part of June, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit Karbi Anglong and Jaintia Hills area where presently some unrest is going on as a confidence building measure so that the people in both sides feel confident and they will be assured that both the state will resolve the differences, resolve the dispute with a spirit of the long existed friendship between the people of Meghalaya and Assam. I think today is the another beginning, because after Sri Conrad Sangma re-elected to the post of Chief Minister Meghalaya. For the first time, we are interacting at the official level, and I believe that through a process of discussion, mutual trust, and confidence, we will be able to resolve the other 6 area of disputes uh, much earlier than what we are expecting. Part of Assam, there are administrative mechanisms where lands have been given to Karbi Anglong Council by the Constitution of India. But having said that, the representative from Karbi Anglong Council is also member of the regional committee. And you must understand that we are not two different entities. Whatever Assam government will decide will take into Karbi Anglong into the confidence, and whatever Karbi Anglong will decide, they will take Assam government into confidence. So their issue is complicated, but when we want to resolve it, it can be resolved.